brushing aside the warning from China, Dalai Lama visited Arunachal Pradesh and preached in Bomdila. Dalai Lama also sent out a veiled dig to China on its opposition to his visit to Arunachal Pradesh. In fact, China was spooked by Dalai Lama's visit and said that his visit will damage China's ties with India.
Chinese government has accused India of using you as a strategic tool. Do you think India is using you? Do you think India has ever used you? But China thinks that India is using you.
You should not use the word China. Among the Chinese, many, I think, love India. But some, the narrow-minded politicians, they have their own sort of certain view. So as I mentioned, they consider me as a demon. I don't think nobody considers me as a demon.
Our National Affairs editor Srinjoy Chaudhary, who now joins us live with this big story. Srinjoy, the way India, did not really pay much heed to what China was asking India to do. Remember, China had demanded that Dalai Lama should not be visiting Arunachal Pradesh, and the way India made it absolutely clear that Tibet is actually India's neighbor. It's indeed a befitting reply that India has now given to China.
Well, the first point is, there is nothing special about Dalai Lama going to Arunachal Pradesh. He has in all these years been there 6 times and for prolonged periods of time. So why are the Chinese raising the issue now? That's really the first point. If he has already gone there 6 times, what is the harm in his going a 7th time? Everything remains the same otherwise. That's really one. Secondly, the Dalai Lama is a guest in India. Now we cannot tell a guest in India, someone who's been here from the late 50s, that, well, you're a guest in India, you can come to this part of India and not to that part of India. He's a guest of India, so he's a guest of India. And Arunachal Pradesh is a part of India. Thirdly, the Dalai Lama is not a political figure, he's a religious figure. And as a result, there are many Buddhists there, there are many people who revere the Dalai Lama. So clearly there is a reason for him to go there. And clearly, why is China asking this question now?